Hey y'all, it's me Nikki, and today I'm doing a special video to show you guys a box of cooking oils that I was sent recently by a company called Chef's Life. They reached out to me a few weeks ago and they basically have a line of cooking oils. So I wanted to show you guys the box and what it contains, and I'm also going to be doing a series of recipes using these cooking oils. This is the cute little cookbook that they sent along with it. Just has a Chef Life's title for everyday life. Wow, they have a homemade Nutella recipe. Pretty interesting. This is the Chef's Life box that I got here. And when you open it up, I'm trying not to drop it. It's kind of heavy. When you open it up, it has these different bottles of oil. We're gonna go through each one of them, but I just think this packaging is super beautiful. Like, first of all, the packaging of the bottles themselves is, I love it. Like, it's so clean but fun. Super, super cute. These are the 3 oils that I was sent. And each bottle has the name of the oils as well as the purpose of those oils, because the chef basically made this company to show people the different types of oils that you use for different purposes. And a lot of us, we like to just use extra virgin olive oil for everything. But apparently he has made different combinations of oils and has provided us guidance on which oils work best for different purposes. So this first bottle is avocado, olive, sunflower, and grapeseed oil. So I guess it's a combination of all of these. And this one says, use this oil for cooking. So this one, I guess when you're pan-searing foods like chicken, I pan-sear a lot of chicken or salmon maybe, you can use this oil to do so. It says saute, fry, roast, or bake. So that's pretty cool. And then it's got a cute little, their slogan at the bottom, which is love to cook. So that's the first bottle here. Very, very cute packaging. I love these. So the next bottle here is a mixture of EVOO, extra virgin olive oil, avocado, and grapeseed oil. Use this oil for blending. So I guess when you're making dressing, aioli? I don't know what that is, but I'm gonna find out and make it. And more. And again, it has a slogan at the bottom. So that's this one here. And lastly, we have my favorite. Who doesn't love extra virgin olive oil? This is their bottle of extra virgin olive oil. And it says use this oil for finishing. So you would actually use extra virgin olive oil for drizzling, dips, and to simply celebrate. I'm super excited to try out these oils, especially the extra virgin olive oil. I know one time I went to an authentic Italian restaurant, and you know how usually you would put like butter on your Italian bread or whatever? This restaurant had oil and roasted garlic, and so when you scoop it, it basically turns into like butter. And I was like, oh, that's what this is supposed to be used for. Super good. Never had anything like it. Super delicious. But yeah, so I'm really excited to use these. So I want you guys to look at the different recipes and let me know which ones you think that I should make. And I'll see y'all soon.